Hi, my lovies. How are you today, my lovies? Okay, now this is just a short video to tell you guys that I will be posting twice a week, and I will be posting probably Mondays and Fridays. So you guys can get something at the beginning of the week and at the end of the week. So that's going to be my schedule because I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm trying to be more consistent with weight loss. I'm trying to be more consistent with praying. I'm trying to be more consistent with everything that drinking more water, everything that spiritually feeds me. And doing these videos to help you spiritually feeds me. So I just wanted to make this short video to let you guys know to be on a standby for me doing these videos, and I'm going to post them around 6 o'clock-ish. So you guys know, to recap, I'm going to start posting videos twice a week, Monday and Fridays, and posting them around 6 o'clock. So please stay tuned and learn more of my good tips. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right, my lovies, that's it. Love you guys. Bye-bye.